Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Grape crypto trading platform on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Grape crypto login. In the search results, you will find the official website of Grape. You can directly find the login page of Grape. Here you can see the sign in Grape option. You can also double check the link of Grape crypto website. That would be grape3.com. So select this sign in Grape option. Tap on it. Now you will be directly prompted to the login page of the Grape crypto. If you already have created your account in this website, you can now log in using that credential over here. If you are new to this, you can easily create a new account. Here you can see create new account option. You can select it and follow the process. Once you create your account, you can enter your registered email address over here. And right below that, you can see the password field. Enter your password. And once you enter your credentials, here you can see the sign in option. You can tap on it and you will be logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you will be able to explore its features and do some tradings. So that's it. That's how you can log into Grape Crypto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.